It is time for the latest and the most comprehensive breakdown of the biggest news stories in Western Visayas. This is Panay News Tonight. Here are the top stories of the day. Iloilo City and the provinces of Iloilo and Aklan are scouting for safe spaces to bury COVID casualties. Overwhelmed with cadavers for cremation, the only crematorium in Panay Island temporarily declined accepting new dead bodies. Iloilo City's Mayor Jerry Treñas plans securing freezer vans to temporarily store the dead while waiting for cremation. In Iloilo Province, San Enrique Town's Mayor Trixie Fernandez, who is also the president of the League of Municipalities of the Philippines Iloilo chapter, said 43 local government units have started scouting for their respective safe burial sites. Under the Department of Health's pandemic protocols, the dead must be buried or cremated within 12 hours. With the unavailability of crematory services, immediate burial is the only option. Gagato Abesha Funeral Homes and Crematory based in Iloilo City has scaled down to cremating 10 bodies a day because its cremation machine overheated from cremating 20 to 30 bodies daily. It has ordered another cremation machine that could accommodate around 100 bodies a day, but did not say when this would be delivered. Fernandez suggested using public lands in mountainous areas as graveyards. As of August 6, Iloilo Province had 436 total deaths due to COVID-19, while Iloilo City had 373. In Aklan, Governor Florencio Miraflores directed all mayors to prepare burial grounds for confirmed COVID fatalities. On Monday, right after the Gagato announcement, the bodies of 2 COVID fatalities in Calibo, Aklan were buried in 2 separate cemeteries. As of August 6, Aklan had 95 total deaths due to COVID-19. The Philippine Drug Enforcement Agency in Region 6 under Comebacking Director Alex Tablate vowed to intensify drug clearing operations in barangays with focus on high-value targets. Included in the priority is the region's #1 suspected drug personality, Ernesto Bolivar of Pototan, Iloilo. He remains at large. PDEA records showed that between January and July this year, 165 high-value targets were arrested in anti-drug operations. Tablate will also focus on clearing drug-affected barangays despite the ongoing coronavirus pandemic. According to PDEA, which sits as chair of the Western Visayas Regional Oversight Committee on Dangerous Drugs, out of 4,051 total barangays in Western Visayas, 3,393 or 83.75% were already cleared of illegal drugs. PDEA is hoping to clear the remaining 16% this year despite the coronavirus pandemic. Iloilo City will be constructing its own hospital. The Department of Health has granted it a certificate of need. The Iloilo City Hospital will rise in Barangay San Pedro, Molo District on a lot overlooking the Iloilo Esplanade. The 104-bed Level 2 hospital will have an intensive care unit and specialist doctors. It will be a part of a health complex which consists of a molecular laboratory and a quarantine facility, according to Mayor Jerry Treñas. Construction may start within this year. It has an initial fund of 500 million pesos, which is part of the 1.75 billion peso loan of the city from the Development Bank of the Philippines late last year. And those are tonight's latest headlines. This is your anchor, Elisha Lusaria Pumida. Good evening. For more stories, check our website, www.panaynews.net. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grab the digital copy of Panay News on Press Reader. Read Panay News via the Inquirer Plus app and avail a free 30-day trial. Join Panay News community on Viber. Don't forget to always wear your face masks and face shields, sanitize your hands, and observe proper physical distancing.